Hello everyone, let's continue making crafts out of lovely dough. Have a circle shaped dough and make the quadrants and have cuts on either side of the first cut we created. Then bend the quadrant into the center and bend it even more downwards by having a chopstick. Then after that, split a string into two and have a cherry in the middle and combine them. Then have a circle dough in a little shape and have a pattern of comb on either side and do it 3 times and place it on top of each other and place a cherry in the middle and roll it and keep it in the middle of the pan. Have another circle shaped dough and place 8 dates on top of that apart from each other equally. Then also place another layer of white dough on top of that and press it down between the gap by using a chopstick and press it in towards the center by using a blunt part of the knife and have a pan created by using a clean comb. Then have another circle shaped dough in a smaller manner. Then have 2 cherries apart from each other and do the same 2 times and press it at the center by using chopstick. Then make another small dough and have a cherry at the center by cutting up in the middle. Have 2 circle-shaped white dough and make quadrants on each other, and on every quadrant bend the curvy end to the top and have the tips attached to each other with a cherry in the middle. Do it in pairs and after that combine them in the middle by using a chopstick pinching them. Then after that have a little circle-shaped dough and make 8 quadrants and have a cut in between the dent we created. Then also pinch it down by making a petal design. Then drop it at the center of the pan and drop a cherry in the middle. Have 2 layers of circle-shaped dough and have a hole created at the center and make 6 equal quadrants and press the quadrant towards the center into half using a chopstick and creating a dent and drop a date at the center of the dent and close it. Do the same for all the 5 quadrants and have 3 little white circle dough and have a comb pan created at the sides and make it on top of each other and press it down with a chopstick and roll it into a flower and drop it inside a cherry in between. Have 3 circle-shaped dough and roll them towards the center from top and bottom. Do the same for all the 3 and combine them together at the tips by using chopstick on either side from top and bottom near the tips. Then press it down towards the center. Then make the chopstick go perpendicular and have it press down towards the center and drop a date in the middle of it. Then cut the pattern on each of the 6 ones and have a cherry in the middle of them and combine them. Do the same for all the 6 and all we are done. Have a dough in the shape of a French bread and have it flattened and cut in the middle. Do it totally 3 times and combine the parts and have it on top of each other and press it down in the middle by using a chopstick and separate the strings apart. Then after that bend each of the strings down towards the middle on the right side. Continue doing it for all the strings. Then have a little circle shaped dough and make multiple quadrants and pinch it at the tips making a flower and drop a cherry in the middle. Have a circle-shaped dough and cut it into 2 equal parts and cut them into 2, making 4 equal quadrants. And fold the quadrant towards the curvy edge at the center of it. Then also fold it at the back side and combine them. Then fold the triangular part down and make a dent by using the blunt part of the knife. Repeat the same for all the 3 quadrants as well. Then after that, make it combine at the center and drop a date in the middle of them. If you want, you can have multiple layers in color of pink or any other colors you wanted. Have a circle-shaped dough and press it on all the 3 sides combined at the center. Then using a scissor, cut the loop we created on all the 3 patterns. Then after that, roll it towards the center of it. Then with the remaining tail we have it cut them into 2 as we did before and place a cherry in between each of them. Then have it combined at the middle. Then do the same for all the 3 parts as well. Then after that, drop a little red bead at the center, decorating it even more further. Thank you everyone for watching this video.